So no matter which car you have, these steps would apply to you. So at some point, the battery in our key fobs are going to die, but each car that has it set up has a way to manually open the car. Normally, the keyhole is actually hidden. So to get to it, we have to first press the release button on the key fob and pull out the manual key. Now once we do that, there's usually like a slot hidden somewhere where you can slide that key in. Sometimes it's directly underneath it or on the side. But once you find where to slide that manual key, it should just have like a push out type motion to remove the cover. You may have to manually remove the cover by hand, but after that, just open the door normally. Now we can pop the cover back in place. But when it comes to actually starting the car, it depends on your car, because of course the key fob won't be detected since the battery in it is dead. So if you try to start the car like you normally do, it won't work. So depending on your car, you have to find the right placement for the key fob. Most times it's like in the armrest, but for my vehicle, I just actually press the key fob against the push to start the car. And this is all we got to do until we actually replace the battery in the key fob. All right, if you're interested in videos like this around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But for this video, that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.